Hi everyone, this is Alena. How to stop aging process? Can we reverse aging? Is it even the right thing to do? First, let's define what biological age is. It refers to the physiological status of our body. It can exceed or may be behind the actual chronological age. Importantly, the modern science has developed special markers to track biological age. It's called DNA methylation patterns. It's related to the epigenetics, basically. And these DNA methylation patterns change dramatically throughout our lifetime. And unfortunately, these markers of aging undoubtedly related to most of the gene expression patterns of various chronic diseases. Our aging pretty much is chronic disease. Therefore, reducing our biological age is far from just vanity issues. Our desire to look good by all means possible. Furthermore, not only age reversing is feasible, every year of reducing biological age translates in trillions of dollars of savings in healthcare. Can you imagine? Therefore, there is no reason not to practice age reversing, right? And the research says it's not that difficult, actually. Obviously, exposure to the toxins, pro-inflammatory diet, aka Western diet, lack of exercise and movement in general, traumas and chronic stress, all of this contributes to the accelerated aging and chronic diseases. And how it contributes? By affecting our epigenetics and the gene expression pattern, basically. However, recent studies from the lab of Dr. Cara Fitzgerald clearly show that this process is reversible. And by optimizing methylation pattern, just within 8 weeks, people in this study were able to reduce their biological age up to 3 years. Think about it. 8 weeks of the protocol, which I'm about to reveal to you, 3 years back of health and reversing age by 3 years. I think it's mind-blowing, really. So diet in this study was essential. And people that participated in this study were required to eat 7 cups of colorful veggies, including beets, on a daily basis, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, 5 to 10 eggs per week, 3 servings of beef liver per week. And I know it sounds kind of gross, but organic grass-fed liver is actually superfood. It's super packed with all kinds of nutrients. So among other things in the diet, there was green tea, not just green tea, like high quality, highly concentrated green tea, curry powder, greens concentrate powder. Rosemary, interestingly enough, rosemary was required to be consumed with each and single meal. And also special probiotic called Lactobacillus planetarium to increase the production of folate in the body. The reason behind the choice of foods in this study was to provide the maximum intake of methyl donors, such as folate, vitamin B12, betaine, and choline. All of these methyl donors can be found in eggs, liver, and beets. In addition, there is such thing as methylation donor adapters and also super important for epigenetics. And these donors found in rosemary, green tea, cruciferous veggies, curry. So basically, all of these are this source of polyphenols. And polyphenols, my friends, is very important class of micronutrients. Not only is the source of antioxidants, in the plants which synthesize polyphenols, these compounds, these substances play crucial, incredibly important role to communicate with the soil, with the microbes in the soil. In humans, polyphenols also provide information exchange between the microbiome in our guts and the rest of the body. And ultimately, polyphenols influence our cells functioning and DNA expression. So besides the diet, people in this study were asked to exercise at least 5 days a week with a 60% exertion. They also were required to have the very least 12 hours of overnight fasting between the last dinner and the next breakfast. They also were doing some kind of breathing exercise or meditation and had plenty of sleep, because lack of sleep directly translates into accelerated aging and chronic disease. The people also were asked to minimize or even abstain from alcohol altogether, because alcohol inhibits DNA methylation. So as you see, there's nothing esoteric or very, very challenging in this protocol. It's really feasible, it's really achievable. And by doing all of this, diet, exercise, sleep, meditation, basically stress relief, people were able to reduce their biological age by 3 years. This is huge. 3 years in just 8 short weeks. I think this is incredible. And I believe we can all achieve this kind of results, or even better, because we know much more about the healthy lifestyle. The bottom line and the conclusion from the study that I'm citing in this video is that not only age reversal is feasible, it's relatively easy to do, and it's actually our duty as a public service to reduce the burden of our diseases associated with old age. Because one thing is the lifespan, and another thing is the health span. And the health span is directly correlates with our biological age. So I'm planning to do more videos on this topic, so please stay tuned. Don't forget to grab my free guide, how to get the energy back using 7 natural approaches, because the information in this guide also is very helpful to remain healthy and younger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Be well.